Okay, guys, so I failed freaking last checkup. That was a horrible one. So, yay. We're doing this one now. Hopefully it doesn't fail. I hope I'm going the right way. No. Wrong way. I'm so terrified of my navigation. Well, okay. That. God, there's so many. Okay, yeah, there. Here. Okay. So, how to do a checkup for dummies. So this where you line up, someone's like, goes in and be like, hello! That's so cringe. I'm done. Get on the bed, boy. Why did he open that? Okay. Yeah, well, the like reception. So if someone opens up reception, you can go in and say like, hello, please. I want to check up, and then they can be like, yes, quota. Okay. Okay, so first, you get the orange on the freaking bed. Sit. Boy. Alright. Okay. I get first. Okay, you have to get the person's name, like even the guy who's escorting you. So let me get that. Why does it say Class C? Okay, and then I do patient, which is Cristano Lucas. So I write down Cristano Lucas 99. Okay, so I already got my old questions, so you have to ask 3 questions and record their answers. So say, how do you feel? Then we gotta get this guy's answer. Nothing. That's it. That's an answer. Nothing. Any injuries? No. Okay, there we go. That's another answer. Here. I feel like we should make the answers longer. This is like stupid. So, yes, this. You know what? No, alright. I was about to say, probably ask more questions. Okay. No. Straightforward. Usually you don't get straightforward like that. I love people who are straightforward, because it makes my job easier. Okay, eye exam. Tell them to stand up. Stand right here. You want to make it where they can... It's kind of hard to see. I swear to God! Why?